In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Wix domain not connecting or resolving error that you might encounter in 2025. Whether you're just starting out with a new domain or have been using Wix for some time, running into connection problems can be frustrating. But don't worry, today I'm going to guide you through the steps to resolve these issues. Let's begin by heading over to the home dashboard on Wix.com. If you're not logged in yet, make sure to do so, as you'll need access to your account settings to diagnose and fix the problem. The Wix dashboard is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your website effectively, so it's a great place to start our troubleshooting journey. Next, I recommend visiting the Wix Domain Assistant Help Center. Here, you'll find a comprehensive set of guides and resources that can help you get your domain back on track. This Help Center is a valuable resource where Wix details various solutions to common domain issues you might face, and it can be an excellent first stop when troubleshooting. In the Help Center, you'll also find a video tutorial. This video provides a walkthrough of the steps needed to address common domain issues. Watching this video can be beneficial in understanding the process, especially if you're more of a visual learner. It explains each step in detail and helps paint a clearer picture of how to resolve the issue. Once you're equipped with the knowledge from the resources and tutorial, move on to identifying issues specific to your domain, particularly if it was purchased directly from Wix. At times, there might be specifics related to your purchase that are affecting domain connection. The Wix support articles provide insights into these particular issues, giving you an idea of potential areas to focus on when troubleshooting. If you've meticulously gone through these steps and are still experiencing problems connecting your domain, don't fret. Head back to the Help Center and explore the options under the Still Need Help section. This area is specifically designed to troubleshoot more intricate issues and to guide you through advanced solutions. Finally, if all else fails and your domain is still facing connectivity issues, return to the Wix dashboard and utilize the AI feature. Clicking on AI and typing your concern into the system can yield solutions tailored specifically to the issues you're encountering. The AI is programmed to analyze and provide suggestions based on the input you give, making it an invaluable tool in your troubleshooting arsenal. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to resolving any domain connection errors on your Wix site. Remember to be patient and systematic in your approach, and you'll have your domain up and running smoothly in no time. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy website building!